Before you call it just a cat thing, it might actually be something deeper. Let's talk about some cat superstitions that people believe in throughout history. 1. Cat seeing ghosts is a real belief. Some people think when a cat stares into a corner, it's watching a ghost. And no, it's not far from the truth. Cats just have super sharp senses. So when they do that, they're actually hearing, seeing, or smelling something we don't. 2. In ancient Egypt, cats were sacred. This is more history than a cat folklore. Cats were worshipped in ancient Egypt and were believed to protect homes from evil spirits. If you've ever felt like your cat watches over you like a tiny judgmental priestess, maybe this cat folklore still lives on. 3. A sneezing cat brings good luck in Italy, but this one's a little sweet. In Italian animal beliefs, if a cat sneezes near you, it means something good is coming your way. You don't say bless you say thank you, and to manifest your luck. 4. The black cat myth is not universal. You've probably heard the classic pet superstition that a black cat crossing your path means bad luck, but not everywhere. In Western cultures, it's seen as unlucky, but in places like the UK and Japan, black cats are actually a lucky omen. It all depends on where you are and what stories you've been told. 5. The cat leaving home meant death was near. In some older animal beliefs, people thought if the cat suddenly left the house and didn't return, it was a sign that someone in the family might pass away. This came from the idea that cats could sense death or illness. Nowadays, it probably just means your cat found a snack at the neighbor's house.